A blessed day, everyone, and our devotion for today is found from the book of Judges, the seventh book of the Old Testament. Chapter 21, Wives Provided for the Tribe of Benjamin, from verse 1 to verse 5. It says, Now the men of Israel had sworn at Mizpah, No one of us shall give his daughter in marriage to Benjamin. And the people came to Bethel and sat there till evening before God, and then lifted up their voices and wept bitterly. And they said, O Lord, the God of Israel, why has this happened in Israel, that today there should be one tribe lacking in Israel? And the next day the people rose early and built there an altar and offered burnt offerings and peace offerings. And the people of Israel said, Which of all the tribes of Israel did not come up in the assembly to the Lord? For they had taken a great oath concerning him, who did not come up to the Lord to Mizpah, saying, He shall surely be put to death. This is the word of the Lord. Amen.
Morning, everyone. My devotion for today is from Judges chapter 21, verse 6 to 10. Now the Israelites grieved for the tribe of Benjamin, their fellow Israelites. Today one tribe is cut off from Israel. They said, How can we provide wives for those who are left, since we have taken an oath by the Lord not to give them any of our daughters in marriage? Then they asked, Which one of the tribes of Israel failed to assemble before the Lord at Mizpah? They discovered that no one from Jabesh Gilead had come to the camp for the assembly. For when they counted the people, they found that none of the people of Jabesh Gilead were there. So the assembly sent 12,000 fighting men with instructions to go to Jabesh Gilead and put to the sword those living in there, including the women and children. The word of the God. Amen.
Good day, everyone. My devotion for today is from the book of Judges, chapter 21, verse 11 to 15. Wives for the Benjaminites. This is what you are to do, they said. Kill every male and every woman who is not a virgin. They found among the people living in Jabesh Gilead 400 young women who had never slept with a man, and they took them to the camp at Shiloh in Canaan. Then the whole assembly sent an offer of peace to the Benjaminites at the rock of Rimmon. So the Benjaminites returned at that time and were given the woman of Jabesh Gilead who had been spared, but there were not enough for all of them. The people grieved for Benjamin because the Lord had made a gap in the tribes of Israel. Amen.
A blessed day, everyone. Our reading for today is from the book of Judges, chapter 21. Wives provided for the tribe of Benjamin. I'll be reading from verse 16 to 20. Here is the scriptures. Then the elders of the congregation said, What shall we do for wives for those who are left, since the women are destroyed out of Benjamin? And they said, There must be an inheritance for the survivors of Benjamin, that a tribe not be blotted out from Israel. Yet we cannot give them wives from our daughters, for the people of Israel had sworn, Cursed be he who gives a wife to Benjamin. So they said, Behold, there is the yearly feast of the Lord at Shiloh, which is north of Bethel, on the east of the highway that goes up from Bethel to Shechem. and south of Libunah. And they commanded the people of Benjamin, saying, Go and lie in ambush in the vineyard. Amen.
A blessed afternoon, everyone, and now is the last chapter of the book of Judges. Chapter 21. I'll be reading verses 22 to 25. When their fathers or brothers complain to us, we will say to them, Do us a kindness by helping them, because we need not get wives for them during the war, and you are innocent, since you did not give your daughters to them. So that is what the Benjamites did. While the girls were dancing, each man caught one and carried her off to be his wife. Then they returned to their inheritance and rebuilt the towns and settled in them. At that time, the Israelites left that place and went home to their tribes and clans, each to his own inheritance. In those days, Israel had no king. Everyone did as he saw fit. This is the word of the Lord. Amen.